Hey, good morning, Raven Tactical fans. This is Raven Tactical doing a product review, something that I purchased with my own money. And you're looking at the Battery Daddy. Yeah, it's a goofy name. You smile when you order it, and you smile when you pull it out. What it is a great way to store a ton of common batteries. What you get is this case with basically a battery tester, and both sides are storage, so it's pretty cool. The total storage offhand I don't know, but I mean you're talking at least 10 here, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, just 60 AA's on one side. It has spaces for D's, C's, AA's, AAA's, and 9 volts. So then we can just flip these pretty simple latches here, and inside you have a battery tester, which looks like this. And if I can do this one-handed, we will put the battery inside here. This is difficult one-handed. So you put it in here and put it in probably backwards. Yep. Hang on one second. Pause this. So it looks like this. So the battery test in here, and you have to put it in correctly. Unfortunately, trying to do this one-handed is almost impossible. As you can see, the battery test out good. You have storage for this, which is pretty decent. Goes in here, like so. And then you also have some like common storage for like miscellaneous batteries, and that works pretty decent. What I didn't like about it was with the commonality having like CR123 batteries and those like 18670s, whatever they're called, there's no spaces for those. I did look online. You can buy a different one that holds those. A little more money. This was on sale on Amazon for about $12. I think they run about 20 normally. Well worth it, because I mean, if you just throw batteries into a junk drawer, chances are they can actually contact and discharge out. This protects them from, element wise, as well as kind of just like discharging on its own. I think that would be it. I would just, overall I would recommend this as a definite product for anybody that's got a lot of batteries. This is one way of storing it. So Raven Tactical out.